Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of My Brother's Keeper. Umam Mkhunu ke afonele uNqubeko asking to meet with uNqubeko. The reason why he wanted to meet with uNqubeko and the reason why uNqubeko ended up going there is because of uNqubeko wanted peace, right? Alright. Aye uNqubeko lapho ayodla aye aphekelwe man. Ku-dessert umam Mkhunu amthelele, umam Mkhunu ambukele ahambe umntanabantu awela phansi ayenzani aqela usizo umntanabantu. Luckily ubabakhe makayochecka umuntu wakhe side phela abantu sebayajola vele noma singayidinaya nje kuna something egijimayo lapho or ezogijima besides nje because umfazi akayivumeli umchitho nje. So nje kule nto yabo yenzakalayo agijime ayochecka umntanakhe uNqubeko. Makafika laphana uNqubeko sekayidlile vele ipoison uphansi. Hayi man, azame kuwe esibhedlele they cannot identify the poison and therefore it is difficult for them to get it out. Now umam Mkhunu feel if it looks like she's feeling guilty. The question is, why is she not telling them what type of poison that she used? Umntana kafakazile ke aqala ukugula kubonakala ukuthi no umntana akekho right. Sisathi indaba incane kanti uyenzwa yini? Wenza ukuthi ubabakhe naye uzongena esibhedlela vele aphume ufakazile naye sekafonelwe ashiya umakazi laphana agijima esibhedlela ayozwa lo mhlolo lo uyenzakala esibhedlela. Abaqosheke bonke uMajola abaqoshe bonke maqeda lapho ayisalele vele nomakoti wakhe ufakazile basele lapho baphethwe stressed. They are shocked but they are being told ukuthi nothing can be done yet and the doctors are not certain ukuthi uzoba right or not uNqubeko. So will they ask umam Mkhunu to reveal ukuthi kwenzakalani, yiphi poison amnike yona? Also uThoba no Sibusiso, they decided to have a pact yokuthi lo mkhokha lo wenzakala emndenini, it will not be us, we will not fight like this, we will not take each other to the ground. You could see ukuthi uThoba was hesitant, and the reason why uThoba was hesitant is because he knew ukuthi he wanted umuntu kaSibusiso, baby mama rather kaSibusiso. Now when uSibusiso finds out ukuthi uThoba mujadi red, how will they feel? Will they also be like the brothers, or will they be matured about it? uSibusiso athi vele angimfuna uDidi and when uyamfuna soqhubekana. I don't know, what do you think? Please don't forget to like, share, but most of all subscribe to our YouTube channel so that we can get to that 1,000 subscribers.